Hello, good morning to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter, with my regular podcast about the available IT positions at KBC Global Services Hungary. Greetings from Balatonfüred, from the boat station, from my favorite place called Spitz Bistro Bar, where I am having a nice coffee at the moment, and I'm taking this short clip for you because at the moment I'm looking for a network engineer. And sorry, I will have to use a script because the job description is quite long and complex and I need to be precise and accurate. So yeah, at the moment I'm looking for a network engineer, and first I'd like to talk a little bit about the team. So for a digital leader like KBC, it's crucial that our data centers run smoothly and safely around the clock, and this is very important for our customers and for our internal employees as well. And as a network engineer, you will have to play a key role in this. And as for the team, we have four data centers in Hungary and in Belgium, and you will have to work together in an international team of experts who ensure that these four data centers work optimally every day. And there are three different teams. The first one is the group data center network team that focuses on switching, routing, Cisco ACI, DDI, and network utility services. The second one is the so-called Group Data Center Network Security team that deals with data center firewalling and perimeter security. And there is a third one called the Group Data Center Application Delivery team that takes care of load balancing, secure web gateways, and anti-DDoS. And you will have to work together with these three teams. And as for your job as a senior network engineer with relevant experience in tracing of complex networks flows, including capturing and analysis, your focus will be on network utility services and overall switching and routing. Okay, so network utility services and switching and routing. And next to that, you contribute to the daily management of KBC data center networks, and you will be involved in numerous projects. So this way you can immediately use your expertise, and you can quickly deepen it further. Okay, so you will be involved in infrastructure and security projects. You will have to do day-to-day management of different telecommunication and security components. You will explore new technologies and possibilities. You analyze different problems, and of course you will be involved in a rotational role. So which means that you will be included in the so-called 24/7 on-call duty. Okay, so 24/7 on-call duty is also part of the job. Okay, and let me just scroll a little bit further. So what we expect from you is a bachelor's or master's degree. Yeah, we are looking for somebody who is able to analyze and take the responsibility of different problems. You organize your own work efficiently, even if a priority suddenly changes. So you have to change the priority if it's necessary. You will work together with others, and you will have to be able to delegate different jobs to junior colleagues. Maybe you can communicate clearly in English, and you should have a diplomatic style. You focus on the result and help others. As a senior engineer, you lead by example, and yeah, leading by example is really needed in this position. Network administration and engineering in a data center context on enterprise level is a must. Yeah, I think this is the most crucial thing in the job description. Network visibility tooling, including Flowmon, LiveNX, Gigamon probing, NetScout, nGenius1, network monitoring, and so on and so on. So these are also necessary for this job. Not exactly the same tools, but I think these are the most typical examples. Application and performance analysis is also what we require. Basic understanding of development and scripting, including GitHub, Bitbucket, Ansible, and Python. Firewalling, load balancing, VMZ setup, and DDoS protection is also required for the job. Authentication and authorization mechanisms and frameworks. Cisco ACI, DDI, DWDM, and one. Okay, so these are the keywords of the requirements. I know this is a long list, but if you fulfill the requirements and if you are interested in this job, then please apply. So let's keep in touch. Thank you very much for your attention and goodbye. Bye bye.